Agro Experience. Hello guys, welcome to Agro Inspiration. This morning, we'll be teaching you on how to make your pineapple sweet and how to make the sizes of your pineapple should be big and fresh. Because when you move small pineapple, you don't win the market very well. When you have big pineapple, you win the market. So this is our pineapple farm. So we want to spray this morning. So I'll be showing you a small secret. So this is agrovet. This is agrovet. This is what we use to make the pineapple have big, so that you should have big fruit in the farm. And this is what we mix with it, so that when we mix these two like this, it make the pineapple, it gives like as if the pineapple is very sweet and is very natural. So this is what we use, so that our pineapple should be very well sweet. These two, this engrais, this fertilizer urea. The fertilizer urea, this is 1 kilo, and this one is also 1 kilo. So first of all, you first wash your sprayer like this. Always make sure that your sprayer should be always washed, because you may not know what the person have sprayed. First of all, so first make sure to wash your sprayer. So we'll be washing our sprayer. We'll rinse it, shake it, and throw it. You add another water like this. Hope that you people are understanding it very well. So as I was washing this sprayer, we're washing in case that they spray a chemical that can go with this, it may not affect the plant. So we'll make sure to spray it. You pour the last water to make it to pass through this pipe. You pump it like this. Move all of it inside. Now when you finish like this, okay, you leave it. Then you come to your mixture. This one like this, it can be 2 spoons inside a sprayer. This one, like, it can be 2 spoons inside a sprayer. Then here it will be like 1 cup of 50 milli, 2 cup of 50 milli to inside a sprayer. It can be like 2 cup of that 50 milli inside one sprayer. So but we have already done our quantity of water here. As you guys can see, come a bit, and this is our quantity of water that we have already estimate inside the cask and put it. So we'll be doing our mixture. So you first put your potash first. You put all the 1 kilo inside, and you throw it. You put, now this is the urea. This is the urea now. You put this 1 kilo urea. You put it all inside. So as you can see, this what help our fruit to be sweet and natural. And this half kilo, yeah, this half kilo, because you put one inside 1 kilo potash, you put 1 kilo, you put 1.5 kilo of this urea inside. So we'll put this one. When you finish to put it like this, you have to mix it. You have to mix it very well. So let me take something to mix it there. Let me just take something here. As you can see, you see how it's doing. So we'll be mixing it. You can look at a pocket like this. So you mix it very well. Now the mixing should mix very well. People are seeing the thing is dissolving. All will dissolve like this. That's how you're mixing. All will be dissolving. That's how you're mixing. You can see it have already dissolved all. Mixture. For you that have a small farm, you can be estimating one of this, like 2 spoons of this inside a sprayer. You that have a big farm, you can have a small farm, and you cannot be doing this. So you'll be taking by 2 spoons of this and be putting inside a sprayer with like the 50 milli, or a cup of 50 milli centi, and put it inside like two like this. When you put it like that, you mix it as how you have seen us mixing here. You put small water inside and mix it. But us, as how we have a big farm of pineapple, as you people can see, we have a very big farm of pineapple, so we have to do the mixture all year so that they will just now be carrying and go and be spraying. So as you can see, we have already finished to mix. Come closer and come and show us how it have dissolved. Are you seeing in? You see how it have dissolved all. So when it dissolve all like this, you start now putting inside your sprayer, so to start spraying your fruit. And this is an engrais forêt, and this engrais forêt, I will tell you something about this. This engrais forêt, when you hear about engrais forêt, it's a product, a natural product that they spray very early in the morning or very late in the evening. Very early in the morning or very late in the evening. They don't spray under sun. If you spray under sun, it will burn your crops, because they spray it most on pastèque, pepper, tomato to increase the sizes. But also we add urea to such to make it very sweet. So that's how it works. So as you can see, guys, once you put it through a little bit of mixture, then you put your shifter. You put your shifter like this. Then you start filling your sprayer. You start filling your sprayer. Very early in the morning, you spray it, or very late in the evening. That's when they spray it. When it's like this, we close. So we'll be going to the farm. Me and the guy that will be spraying. So we'll be going to the farm to go and spray.
Okay. This point of time, we're about to go and spray our pineapple, and as my colleague Ella said, we spray early in the morning and also late time, and also late in the evening, for us to avoid the burning of the fruit. So at the point of time, we're about to go to the farm to spray our pineapple, and you guys will show you guys how the spray is being done. Okay.
So guys, you people can see as we're preparing to go to the farm to go and start the spraying very early in the morning. This is what we'll do. So let us be going. So this is our pineapple farm. As you people can see, guys, these are the fruit. Are you people seeing? There's the farm. So let us be going. You will start the spraying. We'll be showing people as the spraying on the fruit, early on the fruit. So go on. People, guys, are seeing. Like this, your food will be very natural and very nice. It will be very natural and very sweet. Even when you reach in the market, you will be the first in the market because of your natural fruit and very good. So thank you guys for watching our video, and subscribe for more video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Can you post it? Just last week that was spray, this one have fully changed. You see as how this one have changed. So by next week like this, it will still develop again. Thank you.